Imagine finding your dream home in the US, maybe a cozy villa in Florida or a luxury condo in New York City, only to lose thousands of dollars because of one small mistake when transferring your money. That happens every single day to international buyers. But today, I'm going to show you the best, fastest, and most cost effective way to transfer money from Europe to the US when buying a property without getting eaten alive by hidden fees or bad exchange rates. When you're buying property in the US from Europe, the money transfer is often one of the most overlooked steps. And here's the problem. Traditional banks can charge high international wire fees. Exchange rates are often marked up, meaning you get less for your euros. Slow processing can even delay your closing date. Let's break it down with a quick example. Say you're transferring 500,000 euros to buy a house in Miami. If your bank gives you a rate that's just 2% worse than the mid-market rate, that's a loss of 10,000 euros. That could be a bathroom remodel or even a new car. Let's compare the most common ways people transfer large sums from Europe to the US. Number one, traditional bank wire transfer. This is familiar and secure, but it has high fees. $30 to $50 per transfer, it's slower and poor exchange rates. Number two, online currency exchange platforms like fintech money transfer companies. That's faster transfers. It's much better exchange rate, sometimes closer to mid-market rates. It also has transparent fees. It's often regulated and insured, offering a high level of security. Number three, foreign exchange brokers. That's ideal for larger sums like property purchases. You can lock in exchange rates, which is huge if you're worried about euro for dollar fluctuations. Personalized service and often lower total cost than banks. Here's the tip. Many real estate investors prefer specialized foreign exchange brokers because they can save between 2 to 4% on large transfers. Here is a step-by-step process to transfer your money from Europe to the US the smart way. Number one, choose a reputable transfer provider. Look for regulated providers with excellent customer reviews. Make sure they support large property transfers over 100,000 euros. Number two, secure your exchange rate. If you expect the euro to weaken against the dollar, locking the rate can save you thousands. Ask about forward contracts or rate alerts. Step number three, verify recipient details. Confirm the US escrow or title company's bank information. Always double-check routing and SWIFT codes to avoid delays. Step number four, transfer and track. Use platforms with real-time tracking. Some transfers can arrive in 24 to 48 hours. Step number five, confirm receipt before closing. Ensure the funds are cleared in the US account well before your closing date. Here's a security reminder. Only send money to verified escrow accounts, never to individuals you don't know. Another key factor when transferring money internationally for real estate is the exchange rate strategy. Here's an exchange rate tip. Watch euro to dollar trends in the weeks before your purchase. Here's another one. Consider splitting transfers to average out the rate. Use alerts to catch favorable exchange movements. Tax and legal. For high-value transfer, you may need to declare funds to tax authorities in both Europe and in the US. Work with your notary or tax advisor to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering regulations. This isn't just about saving money, it's about protecting your investment. So let's wrap it up with 3 quick pro tips to maximize your transfer. Start the transfer process early. Don't wait until the last minute. Compare multiple providers. Even a small difference in exchange rate can mean thousands in savings. Ask for a better rate. For large property purchases, providers are often willing to negotiate. Here's a bonus tip. If you're buying through a US LLC or trust, talk to a tax professional about structuring your transfer to avoid unnecessary fees and delays. So the best way to transfer money from Europe to the US when buying property isn't just about convenience. It's about saving money, avoiding delays, and protecting your investment. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next guide on how to buy US real estate as a foreign investor. And in the description below, I've linked a free checklist for international property buyers. See you next time!